have a live interactions, and those who are being part of the YouTube, so you can also post your questions in YouTube. So I will be going through this chats more often, and then I will try to address all your questions. So as I was telling you, in today's live demonstration, you will see how Spherechat works and in real-time intelligence response to smooth interaction flows. Whether you are looking for efficiency or a creating seeking engagement or a business aiming for a smarter communication, Spherechat is designed to add real value by saving time, improving productivity, and enhancing engagement. Okay, so this is what Spherechat is been built for. So I am presenting you the screen where the sphere chat you can able to see. In the left side you are having a chat window, that is your chat history. So this is more likely you can able to find it with the latest AI technologies. You might be come across most of the AI features like chat GPT or Gemini, so on. And we have also built our platform using Gemini. So Gemini is a model which is been based out of Google. Okay, so but what we have added as a feature as a whole, not just like a platform what the others is being provided, right? So that is what we are going to see in this particular demonstration. So we have a public chat and a personal chat. Okay, so why public chat and personal chat is because public chat is for anyone, those who are not subscribed to this, and those who don't want to continue with the subscription to test. It's like a trial, so you will be having a limited features added to this public chat, whereas the personal chat, it will be having a credit, and each and every communication and transactions will be taken as a credit, since it is a pre-launch event and we are in the community establishment. So there won't be any commercials involved into it. So as a transaction specific, the credits are being also created. So I'm going to walk you through how to create the user account from here and what are the features and what is its capability, right? So first we will see what is its capability. It can generate image, it can generate video, it can generate voice from text to speech, it can also generate music, presentation, and what so on. Everything is inside this one particular chat. Not only that, it is very emotional and attached to the user, right? So how we have given a role for this chat is like making it more personal and emotional, providing a feeling to this particular chat. So that is how AI is going to communicate with you. So on the right you can see what is the credit and other things. Perhaps we will log out from here. I will show you from the login, so how to create the user account in this. Okay, so to create the user account, we will be logging into this, and we have a sign up here. You can sign up with your username. You can provide your email ID and what is the password you would like to use it for. What is your age? Okay, and which country you are living with. So this, is it required everybody to create the account? It is not mandatorily required, but if you are creating the account, then you will be having the personalized experience. So that is why we are telling you to create the account. So this account is being created. Now it is time for the acceptance of this. Okay, so we can go ahead and then accept the invitation. So there will be an email which will be sent to you as acceptance to this. So with that you have to go ahead and then accept the invitation which has been, sorry, accept the user acceptance for the email which has been sent. Okay, just give me a minute, let me open the mail. So I'm just verifying the email behind the scene, because it will be very difficult to open the email browser and then show you the verification. So once it is been verified, you can log in with your username and password. So if you are not verified your email id, it will ask you to verify once again. You will be having a one more option to resend the email. See, now once I have it's I'm newly registered and I have a 200 INR credit. So that is how this is going to work. So I told you like this is going to be a personal interaction. So right. So how do this personal interaction happen? So that is what we are going to see in the live session here. So overall here we have some kind of a configuration where the settings is being fine tuned for a better optimized communication. Okay, so we are not going in depth of this. This will become a complete theoretical class. So we are not into the class today. So I will be also taking more sessions how this system is being built and how its capabilities are being built. What is the architecture wise we will have a little bit of glimpse by today, but not as a full theory. Okay, so now we will go and create the personalized communication. So I'm interacting a communication. So once I start interacting the communication, it will ask once again what is your name, because it is going to create a personalized profile, right? So we will provide what is the information we require for. So this is a agentic AI concept, guys. So what is agentic AI? Is it built a agent which will communicate with user and irrespective with the live communication or a data information which can able to pick it from other system and then bring. So you might have seen in multiple websites where the agentic AI plays a major role nowadays. Okay, so best example is like you can able to see IRCTC website. Okay, you can able to find a agentic AI which can connect with you, and you can able to even check PNR through that, right? So this is something very communicative with the user. So that is how this agentic AI has been built. So this system is not only limited to agentic AI, it is having a live capability where it will go and connect with the live model. So what is a model? Model is nothing but a collection of data. The entire world website is been crawled, and then all data is been extracted and put it into the model. So there are so many models are there. So by using one similar type of the model only, this has been built. Okay, so whether this is having a model, no, it is not having a model. We are having a API communication with the model which is being hosted by Google. Okay, so this is also having a offline based model. So I will explain you when we are going to that particular chapter. Yeah. So now it is asking perfect. Now, how do you would like to call me? So I will provide a name as a SPT. So we are giving a personalized context to this chat model, right? So what is the gender you would like to assign to this actually, and what role you would like to play? Okay, so this is the personalized touch where it comes here. So you can say any role here, it will play that role. So not only that, it will also emotionally connect with the user and then respond to the user in the role specific context, right? So we will start. So I what I have told, I told my name and then the model name and what it is role. So further whatever the communication is going to be in the role of teacher. Okay, so I will put, so even though you put a spelling mistake or something, the model will be able to understand the spelling mistake context, and then it will be able to respond you with the correct understanding. Okay, so when it is responding to us, it will respond with the correct approach. See here, I put a spelling mistake, so it is having a personalized context, right? So good morning, Jai Ganeshan. I'm glad to see you. Did you have a good weekend? Right. So it is like asking me a personalized question also. Yes, I do had a great weekend ahead. Okay, so now let me ask one question. Like, I would like to know what is something very specific, right? Can you about transformer? So those who are in the AI background, they will be very much aware about what is this transformer architecture. So we are not going to see that in this theory, very specific to this. We will see in our chapters later. So Sphere Skill is one of the platform where I come online and then I train on online basis, and we have a platform also where we provide the courses and make you guys can able to enrich with the tomorrow's learning platform, right? So you guys can able to go through that. Please subscribe to this channel, and you are having any questions or comments, do post it to me. Okay, just give me a minute. So it has responded actually. So what it has responded, I'm happy to help. The transformer architecture is groundbreaking neural network concept is right. So this is basically a concept of deep learning. So that is how this communicates. So you can ask any questions, guys. You can able to register and then ask any questions. However, in public chat, it is limited to only questions, not to specific any type of the roles. Right. So where you have a role specific personal attachment, you can come to the personalized chat. Not limiting to that, we are having multiple features which we are going to see one by one. Now I am having a role of a teacher. I want to communicate with a doctor, right? So whether I can able to communicate, yes, you can able to communicate. So all you have to do is we have a hard tags here. When I put a slash and then I communicate to this, so it will consider like the hard tag key is being provided, right? So I have changed the role. So it is asking what is my role. So here this is communicating as a agentic role. Until now, this is until this one, it is like from the Gemini flash light. See, you can see here it is a model which is been responded to us in this many millisecond, right? So now here what is happening? It is a agent. Okay, so now what I'm asking, I want to interact with the doctor. Okay, so what it has told, perfect. I am a doctor. Let's continue your communicate conversation. So the model is already assigned a specific name Spiri, and that I have provided a gender also for this. Now I have changed the role also for this, right? So now it is a doctor. So I can say like, hi ma'am. Okay, so I am asking the doctor, how are you doing? So it will also respond. Okay, so that is how this system is built. Not only that, any emotional connection you can want to have a brother, a sibling, even a father or a mother, a friend, whoever you want to have, you can able to put across into the role and then communicate. You want to change your role, you can change it. Okay, how to identify those tags? It is very creepy, like I cannot put slash and change roles. You have a help here. Keep it one thing in mind, you will be having a help. With the help you can able to find all the informations whatever is been available in the system. Okay, so it has responded. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking, Jay Ganesh. And see here, it is always personalized. It is not saying as a regular chat interface. What Chat GPT is doing, what Gemini or what other chat interfaces are doing is not a personal and emotional connect. Right. So this system, what we have built, is trying to create a emotional bond between the user and with the model. Right. So that is how the personal touch is being added to this. So it is asking. So this is a personal touch, right? So how are you feeling today? So no model will ask. So that is the changes and the evaluation we have brought to this type of a model. Okay. So I'm saying like I'm feeling little feverish, cough. So I'm giving a feeling that I am not keeping well. So I am telling to a doctor that is a model which is playing the role of a doctor. So let us see like what it is going to respond. Okay. So please make sure like this is like it is not a doctor's advice. It will not provide you any kind of a tablets or medications. Okay. So don't consider this as such type of replacement to doctor, but it will provide you some comfortable answers, right? So what it is, so I'm starting to hear under the weather, they sound quite uncomfortable. Okay, so it is giving some kind of a medications also. So if you ask further questions, it will still provide. Even you can able to get a syrup or medications, whatever it is. Okay, you can change the role and play on. So what is its capability? So we have seen its personal touch, right? So what is its capability? So we will see. So whatever we have done here, it is available in the public chat also. Perhaps this personal emotional touch is not being found in the public chat. Okay, so here we whatever we have spoken with the chat, that chat history will be available, not limited to that. So we have a role. So we are in the role of doctor, right? So if you want to change the role, you change the role, it will be also affected here. So you have something like you want to build a code analyst, and then few short learning like that. There are some few prompts are being built here, which will categorize and then will change your temperature. So temperature is one kind of the concept where we can variance the input prompt to the model. Okay, so what is prompt? Prompt is something which we are giving as a input to the model to get the output from the model, right? So that is how the prompts work. So which we are going to use it also, which every AI developers will be using. Not only AI developers, like a user, you are going to use this, right? So now I'm going to use it as a help. So by providing the help, I will be getting all the information from the help. So this is a agentic response, right? So it is already pre-fed into the system where it will be providing me what is the information of this. So this is its capabilities, guys. So image generation. So where you can generate the image by using the slash information. Okay, hard tag. Sorry, it is auto scrolling. So this is image, and then video. You can generate a video and you can generate a voice. Okay, so each and everything will be having a commercials attached to this. Perhaps, as I told you, this is a pre-launch event which will not be taking your actual commercials, which will be provided as a gift to all our subscribers and all our users as a pre-launch. You can able to make use of that. Not limiting to that, we are having a presentation also. So where you can able to generate a presentation by using a presentation or by using providing a PPT, right? Next, how do this build work? So when we provide the inputs, it will be taken to the model, and then it is being further classified, and the inputs are being further extracted and then provided. So what are the charges? It is being put across here, and there is some kind of a tips which is being provided. Okay, so that is how the system works. So we will try to generate one by one and then see. As of now in the system, we are not having a video which is been in place. So video requires a very high end system, so which we will be adding it into our roadmap further as a enhancement. And music generation, which is not in the part of the system, which we will be adding it later. And the credit system, which is going to be like connected with the live credit system, where you can able to purchase the credit by using your accounts or debit card, which will be going live by the time we will be enabling the credit management as well. So you have some kind of a concerns like you want to get in touch with the support team and to get help. So that is also included in the same system as well. So we will see one by one, right? So how does this system feels differ? Spherechat differ from the other systems like ChatGPT. That is what I'm going to show it to you. So now what we are doing, we are typing a hard key. So as soon as I type, we have a prompt here, right? So we are not typing everything in the prompt. So unlike your typical AI chatbots, so you have to type everything into this, but we have a personalized UI interface here. So what does it do? How you want? What is the width? What is the height you want? What is the step it has to be? What is the guidance scale? Whether you have any negative prompts, like you might be created so many images or so many videos. You might see like Gemini will provide you a watermark by the end. BO it used to provide, or it used to keep a dot. So you can put blur. I don't want a blur image. I don't want a watermark content, right? So like this you can able to see what are the contents you don't want to include in this particular image, right? So that you can able to provide. Same way, what is your prompt, what are you going to create it, right? So that you can able to provide it into a text, where you will get the same text which will be generated. So what I have put an IT tech guy praying Subramania Swami, which is in the seashore. Okay, where Subramania Swami smiles and blessing the tech guy. Okay, so let us see how it is going to generate. So this we have brought it in a very easy and interactive way, other than the typical AI engines which you are using. But this is also going to use the same concept. It will be used in a very easy human understandable way, right? So image is being processing, it will take some time. So it is now what happens here is it will receive the request, it will get the prompt and prepare the details and send it to the model, and from the model it will prepare the text details, and then it will bring back the images what is being requested for. Okay, so now our image is ready, so which I have asked, what I have asked to bring IT guy, tech guy, so who has been praying from Subramania in a seashore, and where Subramania smiles. Exactly, this has been brought. Okay, so download. You want to download it? Yes, you are allowed to download it. So you can able to get that download also. You can able to view it. Right. So this is one of the features. Any images which you can able to prepare. So what dimension it has to be? So how is the prompt it has to be? So that is been provided as a very easy user interface to in a UI level. So that is the customization what I have brought in addition to a top layer for the existing AI model. Right. So next we will see some voice communication. Right. So generate voice. So what it is, default voice, you can choose which voice you would like to, what is the speed and the pitch it has to be, right? So I have some text which I will be preparing it. So here I have put this is Jai Ganesan. Okay, I thank everyone, so and so, so and so. So and I am sending it to a AI model. Okay, so this is like we have multiple languages. You can able to generate the text in a few other languages also, so that you can try it on yourself. So I am generating it in the English. When you are generating to the other language, it will get converted, and the output audio will be coming it from that language. So now audio file is being processed, so that in case of any error or something, it will give what is the error message in the chat itself. Otherwise, it will provide the audio file itself, right? So now we have generated the audio file. I will show you. We can able to download that audio file, and then we can play it. Okay. So I will recommend, if you are generating something like this, you can able to download it and then get it saved in your local computer. Why? Because this is like a typical memory where it will get flashed out very quickly, and you will
Hi,
not
this is G
having.
Gunasun, you trainer here from Sphere. Hi, this is G Gunasun, you trainer here from Sphere Skill Technologies. Today we are in the pre-launch event of Spherechat, which redefines the way how AI communicate with human.
Right. So you guys heard that. So the same way, what is being given as a text, it is being converted into a the typical voice. Okay. So you can change the voice, and then you can try also. You have an option to change that. You can make a different type of a modulation. So that also you can try to get this done. Right. So this is our second features which we have done. The similar way we are going to bring across with the video feature also. So video, which is the work is in progress. When I say video, it is not presently taking up, it is going to the prompt once again. That once I am enabling that, it will also be processing. So now we can able to see what is the presentation we will see here. See, I made a mistake. Actually, spelling was wrong. So in the hard tag, spelling will not be working. Actually, you have to put the correct spelling. Otherwise, it will not work. So generate video also will come. So what height, what width, what is the frame? It has to be frames per second. It has to be okay. So we will be charging 25 INR for this, like that. It was saying. See, initially when I'm stepping, I was having 200 INR. So once I started creating, my credits were been taking across. So that is how this will work. So that video we have seen, presentation we will see, we can just type ppt /ppt, yeah. So you got your presentation here. So I can ask anything. Okay, so like uh, artificial intelligence, or how do business handles anything you would like to ask, or even what is a networking and OSA model. Okay, so let me ask. Explain all the layers in details in each and every slides. So I have provided. So here we have which model it has to be generated is there. I'm saying Gemini, use the Gemini here. So I'm saying 10 slides you can able to create it. So maximum it will allow up to 20 slides. Which customized theme we can able to bring across. So this is as a initial phase. We are adding more and more improvements to this presentation, because this is one of the corporate requirement where people are trying to engage and create the presentation, right? So in this context, we are going to improve multiple initiative here. So we are going to bring the graphical information. Presently, it will be like only a plain text which has been brought across. You can provide your company name. So this will be having a signature attached to this. You have any additional information which you can able to provide it across. Okay, so you can put across generate. So the presentation also will be generated, and it will be providing you a link to download it. So everything will go with only one single plain screen, that is your chat. So complete information is within this chat window. There is only one single screen where everything will be handling it across. So download PPTX. So we can download the presentation. It is been generated. Right. So once it is generated, you download it, guys. Otherwise, what will happen is it will be deleted very short file, and there is nothing will be stored or retained in the server. Because we I'm having a very small server. It is as a very beginning scale. We have a plans to enhance it when we are going forward and approaching for the live. But for the pre-launch and then for the demonstration purpose, I'm having it very small and handy. See, what I have asked, I have asked you for networking and OSI layer model, and asked it to explain each and every model. So I have provided my entity name also, so that it has been brought what is the entity. Okay, so what is networking? It has given me answers for that. And then what is OSI model? And it's starting from the application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport, network, data link layer. Okay, so that's how it goes on. So I hope everybody knows about the OSI model. I'm not going in teaching about that. If not, we will have a separate session for that in our sphere skill. Okay, so that is how this presentation works, right? So I think this was quite informative, and I hope you guys enjoy it, right? So now, how do we get the support? So we have created account. We are doing something personalized context into this peer chat. So where I need some support to this, right? So how do I will get the support information? So for this, you can type just support. A support window will open. So this support window will show you what are the further classifications and categories are available. Okay, so based on our inputs, so we have our classification, and that will define what is the support you are looking forward for. Right. So here I am looking for, let us say, video generation. So this is not presently available. I can raise a ticket. So this is completely agentic. Okay. So what we are doing is mixture of agentic and advanced generative AI. So that is the today's technology where we are landing, which is artificial intelligent, and tomorrow which is going to be completely changed. Right. So this technology evolves very faster, and to be saying frankly, guys, this AI concept is not evolved by today. It was been very long back. It was started the research. So in our theory classes, which I will host myself, where I will explain what is the evaluation of AI, how do this model has been brought, how they have trained the model, how you can able to train a existing model. That is very important, right? How you can fine tune for adapt the model to your business requirements. So that I will provide you the guidance here. So that is what I am also learning, and I do learn every day at least 2 to 3 hours. So that is how I am reaching to the next level. So I will advise you guys spend some time, learn the next generation concept, and stay in touch with the today's generation, right? So description, what is the description? Coming back to the supportive tickets, so we can say like video is not being generated. Okay, so video is not generated. So if you want to have some attachment here, you can provide the attachment also. Otherwise, you can submit the ticket. So this is a agentic job which gets the inputs and which provides you the ticket summary also, right? So not limiting to this, so we will be having a live interaction with this ticketing system, right? So that's what I'm going to show you here. So just allow me a second, guys. So with this ticket, so what we can able to do, I want to track the tickets, right? I'm sorry, I have to put ticket, I have put it as a ticket. So it will go to model and then return back. I think it has returned back now. Okay, I understand you want to something it has written back because it has went to a model. So if you are not providing the correct information, it will go to the tickets. Okay, sorry, it will go to the model. So the hard key only will be available with us. So this is our ticket ID, what is being generated. So this is how the importance of the agentic features. Okay, so now you can see what is the ticket status. So it is looking up into a live information, right? So this is the feature of agentic. You can connect with any live system and fetch the information and pull up the records. So this is the live use cases of agentic AI. So where this can be connected with a huge volume of data, pull down some sort of information and provide it to the user. What are the use cases? We can able to get the flight tickets, get the PNR, or the tracking ID, flight ID, and see where the flights are or what is the status of your and your train tickets. Like that, multiple supporting tickets and supporting mechanism can be made very easily, right? Not limiting to that, in the hospital where we can able to have such type of agenting system, patients can able to check, register, and book an appointment, right? So they can book an appointment with the doctor. This agent can take the schedule of the doctor, and when the doctor is been available, they can provide the list of doctors and they can able to bring the booking slot allocated for the visitor, right? So there are so much of concept, it's very vast which this agent can able to do. So now the ticket is in the open system. I can say like wait for the check for the other tickets also. Okay, so I will see the same ticket now once again, wherein I am working on that ticket in the background. So I'm not showing it to you. So I am making the changes. So each and every changes, once a ticket is being raised, you will be getting an email from us that this support is being created and this is your ticket status, right? The similar way, when there is a changes, each and every changes when it is being made, you will be intimated and saying that there is a changes has been happened, a support team is assigned and they are working on this actually. Okay, so work is in progress. Now I will change the once again the status. So I have changed once again the status here. So it is been resolved. So there is a communication between the user and the support team, that is the agentic function here, and it has resolved the ticket. I can further change the status once it is been resolved. If you want the ticket can be reopened, you can reopen the ticket. Otherwise, in a short span of the time, the ticket will get closed automatically. Right. So this ticket is closed. So that is how the real agentic communication works with the live databases, right? So this is also connected with the live databases. So that is how this works, and this is the features of the particular system, Spherechat. Hope this is informative, guys. I will give you a little hints about the architecture, how it has been built. So as far as the architecture is considered, this has been built on .NET platform. The UI is built on Blazor, and the back end of this is been handled with .NET Core API, RESTful APIs using Swagger UI. Right. So this is connecting with the model. The model, when we speak anything with the AI, first and foremost is your Python. Right. So without Python, you cannot connect with the AI. So it is mandatorily required the Python here. So Python here plays the major role. This connects with the Gemini, right? So it will be having a Google AI, Gen AI, this one API key. It will get connect with that. It will download all the libraries, download what is the required information like what transformers and other details. When it is all set, you will be having a API key which you will be placing across to that, and Google will be providing you further information of what is the model available. That is how this is working. So when there is a image request or a chat request is being generated, this is being sent to that specific model using the API key what is being registered. So it is very important to have the secret key maintained securely, otherwise this can be manipulated and misused, right? So that is how it has to be kept across. So that is your architecture here, and I will give you further more guidance, and then how it is been built, how we can build the agentic AI in vast application scale. And as I have told you, we have so many projects which we can able to bring across, like a hospital booking appointment system. Yes, it is very interactive and informative, right? So a support system which can be created, a tracking information. Let us take, there is a courier company is there and they want to have a tracking information. So yes, this system can go there and help users to get what is the tracking ID, bring out what is the live tracking information, and provide that information into the system, correct? So that is how this has been put across, right? So I'm there to help you out in all the ways, to build you to understand, make you understand what is the importance and then futuristics of this particular AI. Not only to this particular AI, to a complete generative AI and agentic AI. So I'm going to host very soon these chapters actually. So presently we are running through with the Microsoft Office 365 basic setups, and also with the Excel advanced and basic courses. So which once we cover those things, I will be starting across with the Python basics, right? So do subscribe and then do follow me on my Facebook and also on my YouTube. Do follow me on my regular videos which I will be posting you across. You want to have any type of specific course, you can able to reach out to me. So I have my website here. I will take you to my website. So this website, where it is completely dedicated for the courses, we have some specific courses here. You can able to take these courses. So here also I have built one agentic AI here. This is completely offline, guys, where this will interact with the user with only offline content what is being available. We have a quiz also along with this. So this I'm going to further improve it. We are going to further improve the sites. You can able to leave me a message if you want to have some specific courses or something, which I will be bringing you across all these features, right? Okay. So now I will go back to our concept. So the roadmap is clear, right? So we are going to improvise our platform in making it enabling for the videos and then music. We can generate the music also here. How it will be like, you generate a lyrics. You want to create your own videos, or you want to create your music, or you want to create a song. You can compose it with this, right? So that is what we are going to further work on. We are going to improve on the presentation capabilities, and we are going to expose our APIs. This is very important, guys. So we are going to build the website where I am going to explain what is the each and every endpoint of this sphere chat is being used, how it is being communicated, and I'm going to enhance it to a level like uploading a PDF document, getting a story out of the PDF document, making the story as a audible, and then listening to the story and getting more information from the PDF document, be it either a image document or a readable document. So something we are going to work on that. That is a roadmap enhancement. And what businesses will gain out of this? What will be the enhancement for the businesses? Is like we are going to expose our API. You guys can able to directly plug in with our system and then pass all your payload to us. We will extract the details and return back the useful information back to you, right? So be it a agentic or be it a advanced generative, so we can able to support you with all your requirements and customize it to fulfill all your business needs. So this is what we are going to do as a roadmap and enhancements to this. So we are also opening doors for early adapters, collaborators, and partners who want to grow alongside with Spherechat and shape its future. Right? Okay. By this time, we are almost coming to the end of the session. So if you guys have any questions and answers, you are more welcome to take across the question with me. So you can leave me a chat message also. I can be able to pick you from YouTube as well. So in case of any questions or concerns, you can reach out. I will be happy to help you guys. I feel I was not too much boring you guys, right? So something informative, which is today's trend. That's what we are working across, and the hope this was pleasant and useful information to you. So you can also post your questions in the live chat, or you can post it to me. I will leave my email address into the description. You can reach out to me directly for any questions or any kind of engagement with me. I will be very glad to assist you all. Okay. So on the special announcement and the surprises, we are excited to share some special updates with you today, which you all will be gaining the early access and the opportunity for this peer chat. I have, as I have told you, I have provided you the Spherechat website link in the description. In the live session, you can able to go to the description. You can get the Spherechat information and what is the launch timeline. So you can able to get. So we are planning for launch by January 14th. So we have some more time where I will be furthermore improvising this. I'm going to enhance it to connect with the Razor Pay payment gateway system, so that you can add your credits and then start interacting with this agentic AI and then this agent, right? So that is how this roadmap is being further improved. So as a community and a partnership initiative, stay tuned. This is where things get more and more excited. We are going to bring more and more automation, and I will be keeping you engaged, and we will be sending more and more information to you. You will get a weekly newsletters. What is our engagements and improvements? What Chat is across. So since this is gone into a pre-launch event and where you guys are having access to it, you can see it live. What is being going across. Before we conclude, I want to express our deepest gratitude and thanks to all our subscriber and viewer and whoever have contributed to this and supported me in all the aspects, and also special thanks to my wife who is supporting me in each and every occasions, and because of her moral support I am able to pass through across, and not limiting to that, everyone who has supported me behind the screen, and especially you as a viewer who have motivated motivated me, who have provided me encouragement and fulfillment to move, push forward ahead in this engagement and to deliver a wonderful product like this. Not limiting to Spherechat, we are having multiple functionalities and multiple applications which I am working on, multiple projects which I am working on. I'm going to take you with one by one slowly in the upcoming series, right? So we will get benefited together, and we will learn together. I have a wonderful platform, be it YouTube or be it Sphere Skill. You can join me, reach out to me, and we will learn together. So that is what here. Your belief in our vision motivates us. Keep innovative and improving. This event belongs each and every one of you guys. So before we wrap up the event, please do subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon and updates. Visit our website. I will have provided the website spareskill.tech and also gbsystems.info. That is our website. Follow us on my social media handle and stay connected always. All relevant links, including live joining and informations for the website link, is been provided in the description. You guys want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me as well. Once again, thank you for joining us today. So this is only a beginning of an exciting journey. Welcome to the future of intelligent communication. Welcome to Spear Chat. See you soon again and have a great day. Thank you guys. So I will leave my email ID in the chat. You can able to pick up the email and then you can send me a mail if you require. Okay. So we will hold on for some more time. So in case if you would like to have some kind of a discussion, you can reach out to me. Thank you everyone. Thanks for joining and making this event more memorable. Yeah.